How to connect SmartThings app on room air conditioner for iOS. Navigate to and open the SmartThings app. On the Devices tab, tap Add, the plus sign, in the top right. Under Samsung Devices, tap Add. Tap Air Conditioner. You will be prompted to scan the QR code located on the room air conditioner or its packaging. If you can't locate the QR code, tap Add without QR code. The SmartThings app will begin searching for the room air conditioner. If you can't find your device in the list, tap Can't Find Your Device at the bottom. Tap Room Air Conditioner. The connection process will begin. If you have the remote control shown on the left, press and hold the wind-free button for at least 5 seconds until AP appears on your air conditioner. If you have the remote control shown on the right, press and hold the timer button for at least 5 seconds. Tap Next, and then tap OK. Next, navigate to and open your phone's settings, and then tap Wi-Fi. Select the network that starts with Room AC, Samsung Room ACE 5, Room ACE 3. If a password is required, enter 5 ones and 5 twos, and then tap Join. Once connected to the network, navigate back to the SmartThings app. Your phone will begin connecting to your room air conditioner. Make sure your phone is near your room air conditioner so the devices can connect. To verify your device, press the power button on your room air conditioner. You will be prompted to select a Wi-Fi network. Enter the password if needed, and then tap Connect. Once connected to the network, the room air conditioner will register to SmartThings. The SmartThings app will prompt you when the connection is successful. You can choose the room air conditioner's location and room, as well as its name. When you are finished, tap Done. You are now able to manage the device's settings. Tap Back. You will now be able to see your room air conditioner in your device list.